Brad Hall here, and today I've got this really big and pretty heavy box. It's from Extra Butter, and I don't know what's inside this box, but I've got a guess. We're gonna see if my guess is right. That's coming up ahead. Thanks Extra Butter for sending me a package. I'm really excited to see what's inside of here. Now a quick reminder, my current record on this show, that's what we're gonna see if we can improve on today. A little info about this box. It's bigger than a normal shoe box. It's 24 inches by 18 by 8 inches. So considerably bigger. It's also pretty heavy. It's got some nice weight to it. This is actually pretty straining. I can feel my shoulders burning, and I'm breaking a little bit of a sweat doing that. So it is a little bit heavy. I went on Extra Butter's site to see what releases are coming up, and all signs pointed to this being one thing. They are releasing a collection around the New Balance 2002R, the Refined Future pack. There are 3 colorways of the model and then some Extra Butter clothing that plays off of that theme. My guess for what's inside this box, some collection of items from this drop that's happening. I think there's gonna be a pair of shoes. I think you might see a hoodie in here. That is my prediction. Let's see if I'm right. Let me see how I can, it's another big box. Here it comes at you. The big box, that is. Very heavy. You can see it says Brad Hall right on it. It does say New Balance 2002R Refined Future. So I think I nailed this one. At this point, if I get this one wrong, hats off to Extra Butter. They really went the extra mile to fool me. But I think I'm right. Let's see. Look at this. We've got a New Balance shoe box. We've also got some clothing here, just as I suspected. So let's take a look at that first. Here we go. First item, a hat that says, it's very hard to read it off the screen here. Let me turn it around for a second. Zen Design, Mental Gardening and Maintenance. That's a fun hat. Looks like we have some sort of washed looking. This is a very nice shirt. Extra Butter is on the chest, and it's got this worn, washed look to it. It's got the exposed seams on the outside. This is very nice. Also got a sticker. That'll be fun to put on something. I think I remember this on the website. I believe this is the hoodie, and it is a tie-dye thing going on with this, but a very tasteful tie-dye. I like that it's just white and blue and a little bit of gray in there. Also got a card here. I should have read this card first, but it says, Mr. Hall, enjoy the New Balance 2002R Refined Future ahead of our exclusive US-led launch, September 29th. Look at that. It all says that. I read most of the words there, and I think I got them pretty much all right. Let's see. How do I, there we go. Slide it right past that microphone. Now, onto these shoes. We already know what's in here, but let's see the colorway. Oh, these are very nice. This was actually my favorite colorway that I saw on the website. This is a classic New Balance color scheme. Let's get them all squared up in here. So the big design element on this shoe and what ties this whole collection together is this kind of rough edge on all of these panels. It looks very, very kind of handmade, like it was just cut by someone who wasn't really paying attention much. They were just trying to finish up this shoe really quickly. Maybe they had a big dinner to get to. These cuts are really loosey-goosey. They're just all over the place, and it makes them really, like I said, they feel handmade. It's pretty cool when you've got a product that's fairly mass produced and you can make it feel like it was made by hand. I really love looking at this shoe too. This colorway, like I said, it's very calming. Let's see what this looks like on foot really quickly. Here we go, under the microphone. And there it is on foot. Really nice on foot. Let's get it into that camera there. Oh yeah, very nice looking. Let's just give it a spin around. There's the top right there. Sole. Love that sole. The sole actually, I'm not sure if it's just the light, but it has kind of a faded look on camera. Not sure if that's accurate or not, but if it is, that is very cool. I love that detail. So I got this one right. My record improves. Thanks again to Extra Butter for sending me this shoe for the clothing. Really cool clothing. And thank you so much for making this one. Pretty easy to guess. I love seeing that record improve. Makes me feel so good.